happy to see you. Do you know what we're going to draw today? Well, I was thinking about the story Bianca the Brave, and I was thinking how cool Bianca is and how much I love her sword, Vivite. I think her sword is really, really cool. So today I thought that we could try drawing it together. Are you excited? Okay, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so today we are drawing Bianca the Brave sword Vivite, and I need a ruler because we need this sword to look straight and sharp. So I'm going to use a ruler to help me. You don't need to if you don't want to, but if you want your sword to look really, really sharp, then a ruler will help you. I also have markers for coloring, and I have a black marker for drawing. I have white paper, and we're gonna put our paper lengthwise or up and down. And don't forget to put 1 or 2 pieces underneath just to protect your table. Okay, so we're going to start in the middle of the paper, close to the top. And we're going to use our ruler. Move these out of my way. Okay, so you want to try to make it the same angle and the same length on both sides, which is tricky. Don't worry. If it's not perfect, it doesn't matter because it's still going to look awesome. It needs to go down a little more. Okay, and then we're going to taper our line back in. This sword is very long. Sharp. And this side, go down. I'm going to try to match it up as best we can. And so far that looks pretty cool. I'm going to draw a line here. Just match all your lines at the bottom. Okay, so we can draw a detail down the middle, and it will just show how sharp this sword actually is. Just like so. We don't need it to go all the way down. That's perfect. We're going to leave some room here because since this sword is called Vivite, we are going to put a V there, and I'm going to do that at the end. So just hold tight on that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on our handle. Come out about the same on both sides, and do a straight line underneath too. Make sure you don't do that line too thick. There we go. We're going to put a little ball on both ends. And now we're going to put the hand grips on. So that is what helps Bianca the Brave to hold on to Vivite and hold on tightly so that she can fight with her sword. So cool. I love Bianca the Brave. I think she is such a cool girl. Okay. And just draw some lines straight across like this. Okay. And then we need at the bottom, the bottom of the handle so that her hand doesn't slip off at the end. So we're going to make this a little bit wider on both sides. So cool. Okay. And then I want to add some details to this sword to make it look really neat. So the first thing we're going to do is right here, we're going to put a V for Vivite. So here's the bottom. Go up on both sides. Go a little taller. Down. Okay, and we will color that in later. Right, and then at the bottom, I'm just gonna put a few details in here. Like so. Oh, this is so cool. This one, I'm going to use this ruler right in the middle. That was perfect. And then we're going to do a little spiral. Both sides. Okay, look how awesome this is looking. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to color our sword in. Now, I want the sword to look really, really cool. This part at the top is going to be silver, and at the bottom it's going to be gold, just like in the story. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm going to color it now. Did you have fun drawing Bianca the Brave's sword with me today? I'm sure your sword looks awesome, just like Bianca the Brave's does. I hope that you had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I almost forgot. If you drew a picture of Vivite and you want to send it to me, maybe I will put it in one of my videos. You can check the description below and send it to the email address. I can't wait to see your drawings. Have a good day. Bye-bye.